In this video, I'm going to explain why most YouTube advice fails business owners and what you should do instead. If you're trying to sign clients from YouTube, give me the next few minutes. I'll break down the best strategy for you and your business. By the way, my name is Kola and I help agency owners sign clients on YouTube. If you're a founder, coach, agency owner trying to build a brand and sign clients from YouTube, check out my roadmap, the high ticket highway, the fastest way to sign 10 to 15 high-ticket clients every month on YouTube without becoming a full-time YouTuber. It's the first link in my description. Now, let's dive in. Most YouTube advice fails business owners for one simple reason. It's designed for creators, not founders. Creators chase views, trends, entertainment, and mass appeal. But if you're a coach, founder, or agency owner, you don't need millions of people. You just need the right 1,000 people. And that's the part nobody talks about. Because when you're running a business, views don't equal revenue. Buyers equal revenue. So the question isn't, how do I blow up on YouTube? It's, how do I get the right viewers, the ones who can actually buy? So let me show you why copied advice never works. Most viral YouTube titles are things like my 5 a.m. morning routine, I tried waking up at 4 a.m. for 30 days, how I made $10,000 in a week, YouTube tips nobody talks about. These videos can get hundreds or of thousands of views, but almost none of these videos are founders, but almost none of these viewers are founders, coaches, consultants, agency owners, or anyone ready to invest in a high-ticket service. You end up with views, subscribers, and absolutely no pipeline. Why? Because viral content attracts everyone. And when you talk to everyone, you sell to no one. So let me define it clearly. Right viewers are people who have the problem you solve, feel it right now, and have the money plus urgency to fix it. There are 3 signals you're attracting right viewers. Step 1, buyer intent. They're actively looking for a solution, not entertainment, not motivation, a fix. Signal 2, context match. They have the exact problem your coaching or service solves. Your videos connect directly to your offer. Signal 3, conversion potential. They are decision makers, not spectators. They have the budget, they have the authority, and they are ready to take action. When your video reaches these people, conversion becomes effortless. Let me break down the math for you. 1,000 random viewers is equal to $0. 1,000 targeted buyers is 5 to 15 booked calls. 5 to 15 booked calls is $10,000 to $45,000 in a single month. So one well-executed video can generate $20,000 to $150,000 plus over its lifetime. This is why high-ticket founders should never chase virality. You don't need millions of views, you need hundreds of the right viewers. Here's the part most creators never understand. Right viewers come from strategic targeting, not random posting. High level only. Here's the starter kit. Using buyer intent keywords, not broad topics, not general advice, not generic tips. These keywords attract buyers, not lurkers. Step 2, study what your ideal clients already watch. Your competitors have already done the research. The content your audience binge watches tells you their fears, their needs, their desires, their objections, their next step. You're not guessing, you're aligning. Step 3, build content around real problems buyers feel, not content designed to impress the algorithm. Content designed to solve pain. Right viewers show up when you solve high emotion problems, clarity problems, execution problems, and tactical roadblocks. So solve a real problem and you attract a real buyer. Here's something you can do today. Write down 10 real problems your ideal clients are actively trying to solve. Pick one of those problems and make it in your next video. Not a trend, not a viral hack, a real buyer problem. This instantly changes who watches your video and who books a call after. If you want help, indigestion. If you want me to help you identify your right viewers and plan your next 4 revenue-focused videos, the first link in the description breaks it all down. When you target the right viewers, getting clients on YouTube doesn't happen automatically, but you increase your chances massively. If you want to get clients on YouTube fast, these 6 cheat codes will help you out. Click the video on your screen to watch it now.